This conference will now be recorded.
Bhavin, are you there? Bhavin Mehta, I spoke to.
Actually, Bhavin bhai, there are some technical errors from his side. I am the other coordinator.
What's your name?
Charvik Mumaya.
Charvik.
Yes.
So can we have everyone's video, or it'll be like this only?
I will request everybody to on their videos. I would request everybody. One second.
So we can just see each other. Yeah. Yeah. Each one can just. Where's the chat box, Charvik?
On the right hand side of your screen.
Where?
On the right hand side of your screen.
Right. So how do you want to start this? Should we play an introduction of mine, and when? Otherwise, we have few minutes. Each one can just share their name. Should we do it in English or Hindi or what?
I think English will be fine, sir.
Okay. So can we have Anji?
Hindi and English and Hindi. As usual, you speak the way you. अरे मनोज भाई आप जैसे बोलते हो usually you speak English and in between you speak Hindi. No, that is the way you please go ahead. That's good. They say don't disturb your flow. The way you wish. All the members who are participating are chartered accountants, so they understand English. So just don't worry about it.
Okay, so आप अपना वीडियो तो ऑन करो.
मेरा ऑन नहीं है.
नहीं है.
Okay. I am sorry.
आवाज
या अभी आ रहा है.
ना बिल्कुल नहीं.
वीडियो तो चालू हो गया मेरा.
नहीं सर अभी तक नहीं.
Okay, yeah. Now it's done.
अभी चालू हुआ, अभी दिखाई दिया.
Okay. So in fact, I was to introduce you initially, but then Vinay said that you'll be keeping the introduction of your own.
No, I will just play the video now. I'll play the video, then you can introduce after the video. Okay?
That's fine. No, Charvik, should we start? How many members are joined?
There are around 50 members. I think we can start.
Okay,
no problem.
Great.
We'll start it.
Yeah, we start.
Okay, so I will just play the.
I will unmute you.
Later.
Charvik, you can just introduce the meeting and then let Manoj bhai play the video of introduction.
Good evening, everybody. Actually, this was a non-technical session which we have organized. The speaker is Shri Manoj Lekhi. He is a very reputed speaker on the topic, and he has given, I think, thousands of webinars and meetings all around India. So in the times of COVID, there are many things which we can learn, and that's why we have kept this meeting. Majority of us will be chartered accountants, as rightly said by Mehul bhai. And with this background, I think we can start. Manoj bhai, I think you are going to play a video first of all.
Yeah. I'll just play a small video on just a small introduction of myself to a video, so just people can get an idea. So here it goes. Okay. Yeah. I'm just figuring it out. 1 minute. Has it come on the screen?
श्री मनोज लेखी एक सत्य के साधक हैं और भारत में और विदेशों में हजारों लोगों के लिए एक दोस्त और गाइड है।
Can you see it?
1985 में कॉमर्स की डिग्री हासिल कर
Can you see it? Or is it coming on
We
the
can
screen?
hear the audio. There is no video. It is a blank screen.
1 minute. No, that's why I'm just figuring out. Here I can see it, the video, that's why.
Okay.
मनोज जी
You practice it.
बहुत ही सफल करोड़ों रुपए का व्यवसाय Zeds Attire Private Limited
Somehow the video is not working, only the audio is working. I mean, it's working in mine, but I'm not understanding.
मुझे स्क्रीन से कंट्रोल देंगे, मैं एक बार ट्राई करूं।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, आप ट्राई करो. How do we give you control, Vinay?
हेलो।
हाँ, कैसा देना क्या आपको?
नहीं, उनको नहीं, आपको नहीं, वो ब्रदर है ना, वो कौन?
चार्विक.
हाँ,
Yes.
मुझे स्क्रीन कंट्रोल दीजिए ना, विनय यादव।
Charvik, Charvik, Vinay is online. Please give him the control of screen. He would do the needful, if it is possible.
1 second. No, that option is not there. That option is with me.
मनोज जी को स्टॉप कर
Make him an
दीजिए।
organizer.
हाँ,
No, 1
मुझे
second. आपको मैं organizer बनाता हूँ.
हाँ,
Vinay ji. On the right hand side, you will have an option. Means you just select Lekhi sir's screen and right click request keyboard and mouse control option is there. I think now
Yeah,
the video
अभी
is
screen
okay.
दिख रहा है. Video is
now
on
it's-
now. Manoj bhai.
Yeah.
Yeah, please
now
go ahead,
it's-
Manoj bhai.
No, I have no. It's come on its own.
Okay.
But video is not there.
Now the sound is not there. Yeah?
Yes.
Vinay, are you doing it or आप कर रहे हो मैं कर रहा हूँ? हाँ विनय आवाज नहीं आ रहा है विनय. वीडियो आ रहा है लेकिन आवाज नहीं.
14th August.
now
Shri Manoj Lekhi is a truth seeker
Yeah, we can hear.
and a friend and guide to thousands in India and overseas. After earning a bachelor's degree in commerce in 1985, Manojji established and ran a very successful multi-crore business, Zeds Attire Private Limited, creating Indian designer wear for women. 14 years into the business, at the age of 25, he met his master, Guruji Sri Rishi Prabhakarji, creator of the Siddha Samadhi Yoga program. Under Guruji's guidance and as his key disciple, Manojji himself has blossomed into a guru. Manojji is an inspirational expert, teacher, and author in multiple areas: child development, education, consciousness, management, and leadership development. He specializes in the inside-out approach to life, which is about transforming oneself within and thereby experiencing abundance inside and out. He has developed several workshops and programs which apply the ancient Rishi culture and wisdom to down-to-earth practical challenges of the modern world in the areas of health, wealth, and relationships. Manoj has authored several books, including one on enlightened parenting, Your Child is Your Parent, and one on creating prosperity, money, wealth, and abundance. Other real-world manifestations of his inner silence include the establishment of the MET Rishikul Vidyalaya in the heart of Mumbai and Rishi Gurukulam, a residential school in the Kathar Khadak Hills near Pune. As a managing trustee of several trusts, Manoj is also responsible for the operation and growth of dozens of in India and abroad. All this with a clear vision towards the upliftment of the 6 lakh villages of India and to facilitating the inner and outer transformation of people in India and the world over. On the personal front, Manoj shares a wonderful relationship with his wife of 25 years, Neena Lekhi, herself a practitioner of Manoj's programs and a successful entrepreneur heading the multi-million-dollar Baggett brand enterprise. His daughter Vidosi is a student of Rishi Gurukulam, learning and living the knowledge since her early childhood. We invite you to participate in Manoj's vision of a world of inclusion, love, and abundance.
Yes, welcome all of you.
Yes, Manoj, now you can say.
Abhi. Yes. Can you see me, everyone?
Ji Manoj ji, please go ahead. Thank you.
Okay. Good evening to everyone. And what we can do, we can start off with just all of you on the chat box. You can just, for my sake, you can just write. I know most of you are CAs, but just write one line about yourself, anything you would like to share about yourself. Okay, besides I'm a CA and something else. Can you hear me? Can everyone hear me?
Yeah, Manoj bhai, most of the people are on mute, so you would not get the immediate response, but they are online.
Yeah, but they can hear me. Okay, so we will have this rule. Whenever I do like this, you will write down. So right now we are having an introduction, just one line introduction of yourself. I know most of you are CAs, but besides CAs, just write anything. Okay, besides CA, one line about yourself. Anything. I love life, a photographer. Okay, something about yourself. Everyone write down on the chat box. I love teaching. Yes, Kinjal. Prakash, I am blessed. Yeah, all right. Wonderful. Yes, Bharti, a woman entrepreneur. So, what entrepreneur you are? Happy to see you after long. I love singing. Rajesh here. I'm a professional accountant. Love my life. Yeah, wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, so I will start today's seminar, webinar, whatever you call it. Okay, so it would be nice if your videos are on so I can look at people. Right now, there are only, 4 or 5 videos on. So Many of you can put your videos on, so the interaction is there. I feel good about it. Hmm? I will be inviting my wife Nina Lekhi also at some point of time after probably around 5 o'clock, and then we'll have some sharing with her, and then we have some question answers also from you. It's a short seminar. The topic we had given was 5 steps to solve any problem. So before we start, I would like, nowadays the lockdown is there. I know the lockdown is there, the coronavirus thing is there. We are here till 18th of May, I'm told. Okay, so we don't know. So we will start off with you writing down, okay, one problem you are facing in your life right now. Okay, there may be many. It can be health, it can be wealth, money, it can be relationships, it can be the fear of what will happen to my business, or the fear will what will happen to our profession, or the fear of after corona what will happen the business, what is going to happen to the businesses. So all various scares we are going through, or insecurity, or even fears. So what is it that is bothering you right now? Because we said 5 steps to solve any problem. It can be health, it can be wealth, it can be relationships. So you will write down one, only one you will write down. So everyone, I will give you some 1 minute time. 1 minute time, okay, to write down where you are feeling disturbed or irritated or fear or any problem you are facing. 1 minute time to write down. Getting bored, overthinking of my daughter, not able to focus on home, maintaining fitness, okay, whether to put full salary to staff or cut some part. All right, health and wealth, okay, choose one right now. Future business, not used to the household chores, yes, yes. Children, yeah, everyone, right? I think we have 100 people or 88 people, so everyone can write down one thing, so it becomes interactive. I can relate with it, okay? Overthinking, yeah, everyone participate. We have got a lot of you doing so, but many of you have scenario after corona. Yes, you can mute all the mics. You can mute all the mics. Business growth, lockdown over, overthinking. All right. What next? Difficult to work from home. Exam fear. Tanvi. All right. So I'll just give you a brief. Wonderful. You have participated. Those who haven't, please start. We have various problems. How to deal with these problems, I'm going to explain to you and share with you. After that, we will have some question answers. I will invite my wife. She will also share how she's coping. You can have some question answers. And at the end, before we leave, I will have you sharing what you have learned today. So that's the process of today. Now I will be putting some things on the screen. Difficult to I need the screen. I will have some questions. You share the process of today. Now I'm putting something on the screen. I will have. Sorry. I'm putting something on some questions today. I need. No, I need the screen sharing thing. I need that thing. So I want to show you some slides. So can I have that, Vinay?
There is an option called screen. There is a screen option on your laptop.
I don't have. It's not. It is crossed like this.
You just click on that once.
Yeah, it's.
Now on the bottom of the page on the screen you will be there. You will be having an option called screen.
Yeah, I have that option, but earlier it
मुझे
was.
लगता है अभी मुझे लगता है मैं प्रेजेंटर हूँ अभी इसके लिए शायद हो सकता है तो मुझे निकाल दीजिए प्रेजेंटर से
You
Okay,
remove.
Arvik, make Manoj bhai presenter.
yeah, I'm doing that.
I'll show you that. Yeah.
So now
मुझे लगता है
Savik, how we started the same thing you have to do.
yeah, one second. Just wait.
Savik, you got it now. Now
Yeah, I
I'm
have
getting it. Yeah. So has it come now on the screen?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, it has come, Manoj bhai.
Okay. So if you have a book, okay, now I'm starting and I'll go a little fast. We have lost 15 minutes for whatever technical area, so I apologize for that. Keep a book and pen with you if it is there ready. It will help you. Okay. Yeah, you got it now. You'll have to mute all the mics. You'll have to mute. So everyone mute. Sometimes I will ask you some questions to write down on the screen, so you have to just write down, so it will go very fast, okay? And sometimes I will ask you to read the slides. It will help you to go deeper and deeper in today's webinar, okay? So we thank our Guruji, Sri Rishi Prabhakarji, for giving us all this knowledge. And there are various topics which we do, which one of them I will be covering today to understand how to solve any problem. You have listed many problems in the chat box. To understand, I am asking you some questions and you have to answer on the chat box. So whenever I do like this, that means you please answer on the chat box. So do we have patterns? Yes or no? Okay, just type out like this. Do we have patterns? Yes or no? On the screen, yeah. We do have patterns. Everyone says yes. Good. Now I want you to define. Everyone participate fully. You have to continuously write down. So there's an interactive. It's not a one-way thing. I'm going to go on asking you questions. So your intellect will, you will get how to resolve the problem you have. Okay. So what do you mean by a pattern? I'm giving the answer. Yes, we do have patterns, but what do you mean by a pattern is my question. If you don't know, it's okay, but what do you mean by a pattern? So what I mean is thinking pattern. Okay, so we do have patterns, we do have thinking patterns. So what do you mean by a thinking pattern is my question to you. This one. Oh. Yeah. Can you see it in the screen? I'm just.
Yes, sir, we can see the screen.
No, but you're
Yeah,
seeing
now
many
we can see.
screens. You're seeing one screen or many screens?
No, yours.
Many screens are appearing, Manoj bhai.
We are not able to get that one screen.
Yeah. That's you have to show the particular screen. So
All right, I'll go this way. All right.
presentation कर लो ना.
Huh?
Presentation just present it F5 करके.
हाँ वही.
Sorry, F5 ना?
Yes, yeah. F5.
मनोज भाई F5 करके presentation कर लो ना.
Okay, F5 and all नहीं है, ये Mac है. Okay, anyway, we will start like this. This is good enough for me. Okay, you just see the center screen. So now you can see. Now, do we have patterns? You said yes. My question is, what is a pattern? Now I'll give you the answer. Any thought which we are repeating again and again and again and again and again and again and again, okay, that becomes a pattern. Pattern of thinking.
क्या हो
Thinking
प्रिंटर क्यों नहीं हो रहा?
And we grow, these patterns from childhood. We are getting these patterns. Someone tells us something and we repeat it inside. Some thought you hear from some friend, coronavirus is very dangerous, suppose, or some fear comes. We keep on thinking about that. That thinking pattern becomes pattern. In other words, we are like programmed machines, continuously programmed machines. So I'll go into little science so you'll understand what it is. How many brains we have? We have 3 brains. Okay. So before we go into that, you see the screen. Okay, see the screen and study 0 to 40 and study 70 to 100. 0 to 40 normally, we go through these emotions continuously during the day. Now there is fear, so we are operating maybe 30, 40, 20, fear, disturbance, frustration. 70 to 100 is positive. 0 to 40 is negative. We don't call it negative, positive. We call it low vibrations, high vibrations. We are going up and down continuously. If you have heard the song, ऊपर नीचे नीचे ऊपर लहर चले जीवन की, लहर चले जीवन की. That means our emotions, our feelings are continuously going up and down. So if you see this photo, it is 0 to 20 vibration. Very angry people. You're disturbed, frustrated, 20 to 40 vibrations. Neutral, 40 to 60. Happy people, 60 to 80. Very, 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 very happy people, 80 to 100. So our emotions go up and down continuously. It is going up and down. So at any time, some people have job fear, some people have business fear, some people have exam fear, some people have fear of coronavirus, some people have fear of so many, a husband, some people have fear of wife, children, boss. Okay, so many types of fears we have, including myself, but this is all projected from here. So we need to shift something inside here, and वही हम आपको बताने जा रहे हैं. How to shift it is what we are going to share. Then of course you can ask some questions and we will give answers how much ever time we have. So to understand how to shift the programming inside, we need to understand what is happening in the brain. So in the brain we have 3 brains. If you see this photo, okay, and you see these are, if you can see my hand like this, okay, this is a brain photo, okay, and I will not go into the technical part of it, but this is more simple brain photo. You put your hand like this, which you can see. Yeah, do it on the screen, all of you, and I will explain. You'll be able to understand easy. So this is the conscious mind, and this is the subconscious mind. Okay, please repeat after me. This is the, then you will get the understanding. This is the, please say loudly, conscious mind. This is
Conscious mind.
subconscious mind.
Subconscious mind.
Yeah, you don't have to
Subconscious
put the mic on, put the mics off. I'll just see your lip movements. Okay, so conscious mind, subconscious mind. Okay, now all the thoughts come here and we keep on thinking. It gets jummified here as a habit, which we call pattern. Okay, now this is the brain picture. This is a wonderful book we had read on conscious subconscious mind. A little explanation. This is like the watchman. This is like the house, your house. Now tell me, all of you, when can the robber come and enter the house and rob from the house? The watchman is there. When the watchman is there, the robber cannot come because he will get scared. So when will the robber be able to enter the house? He will be able to enter the house when the watchman is sleeping, you know. So when the watchman is sleeping, the robber can come, enter the house. So actually what we have done in our life, the watchman has been sleeping. We have allowed all those negative thoughts to come into our house, and that is why we are feeling the fear. No one has done it purposely. Everyone has done it unknowingly. We have gathered the fear, all the, from childhood, you know. If you can close your eyes now, and I will say some statements, and you tell me, you tell yourself, to your own self, whether it is true or not. I'll repeat the question. We will close our eyes and I will say some statements, and you will tell yourself that yes, I have heard this statement, maybe from my parents, maybe from my from movies, from books I have read, maybe my friends told me, maybe my teachers told me, maybe my relatives told me. Somewhere I have heard these statements. You will just say yes to yourself. Of course, I cannot hear, but you will just say yes to yourself. Okay, so close your eyes. Close your eyes, and I will be saying some statements, and you just say yes or be silent like that. Okay, so so you can't do this. Next statement, and you just say yes or be silent if you have heard this. Second, if you do this, you will definitely fail. then don't trust anyone. Life is very, very hard. If you want to succeed, you have to work very hard. Life is very difficult. Don't go out there. They may cheat you. You must always come first. Now, open your eyes. Have you, in the chat box, okay, you will write down, have you heard these statements from childhood? Yes or no? Please write down. Yes or no? So this is what has happened. We have all heard these statements, so these are all statements we have heard, okay, and the watchman has been sleeping. These thoughts have come. We have thought about it again and again and again and again and again and again, okay. More all the time we have thought, and this has become our pattern. So one of the principles of subconscious mind, this is a very important principle. Please read it on the screen loudly. Of course, don't put your speakers on, just read this. The subconscious mind does not know the difference between between yeah, read it again. Subconscious mind does not know the difference between the actual event and the event which is created or imagined in the brain. So what it means is the subconscious mind, okay, the subconscious mind, let's say you are walking in the dark, very dark forest you are walking, and you see something like this on the ground. Immediately, what will come in your mind? Please write down on the chat box. Where was it here? Yeah. Write down, everyone will say, you see something down, you see a snake. Yes. So when you see a snake, immediately the body will start perspiring. Yes or no? So when the body starts perspiring, we saw a snake, body got perspiring. We took out a torch and we saw it. It was not a snake, it was actually a rope. Now, seeing a rope, we started to perspire. Right or no? How come the body started to perspire when we saw a rope? Please write down. Because we were thinking it is a snake. Because we thought it is a snake, the body started to perspire. Now, what happened actually neurologically, scientifically? We saw the brain imagined a snake, the brain released some stress chemicals called cortisol, and we started to perspire. Then, when we put the torch, we saw it is a rope. The brain saw a rope, and immediately it changed the chemicals and give relaxed chemicals, happy chemicals, and the perspiration went off. This is what happens normally, okay? Did you understand this so far? Just write there yes for my satisfaction. Yes. Okay. So what we are saying is, actually in the brain, what is happening, whatever picture the brain sees, accordingly it will send chemicals which gives us stress or which gives us happiness. One of them. Happiness is high vibrations, stress is low vibration. Happiness is out of love, stress is out of fear. So that stress, that picture which we have in our mind can be our mother-in-law or our boss, or it can be a husband or wife or neighbor or anyone for that. If that person is giving us stress, then we will have stress chemicals. If the person is a happy relationship, you love the person very much, you'll get high vibrations. So our vibrations go up and down every day. When things happen our way, we feel good. When things don't happen our way, we feel bad. So if you see the screen again, in the day, if things happen your way, you will feel wow, 70, 80, 90. If it doesn't happen, you'll feel. You get a check of 10 lakh rupees lottery, you'll feel wow. That same check you deposit in the bank, it bounces, you will go down. Your children listen to you, you'll go up. Children don't listen to you, you'll go down. So like this, continuously our emotions are going up and down. What we are saying is basically, okay, if we don't know how to master conscious mind, our subconscious mind will rule us like autopilot. So how do you master this is what I'm going to share with you now. Okay. Before that, we will have a little understanding on the brain. Okay. So if you see, if you do the Google, anyone who does the Google, okay, you type the word scarcity, you will get pictures of scarcity. You type the word abundance, you will get the picture of abundance. So we are like a magnet. Whatever we are thinking, we are attracting. Law of attraction or law of karma. Okay. जो बोएंगे वो पाएंगे. What we sow is what we reap. So the principle in the brain is very, very clear with what we want or don't want. Whatever is happening in our mind, whatever we picture we are thinking, that is what we are attracting. Most of the time we are thinking of what we don't want. Okay, I'll give you an example. How many of you don't want to fall sick? Please raise your hands. Don't want to fall sick? Please raise your hand. How many of you you have to mute the speaker.
Your other device is also active. There are two devices which are showing Manoj Lekhi.
So it's off only. That is off. That is off.
मनोज जी
Now it is off.
आईपैड में म्यूट कर दीजिए, आईपैड में भी ज्वाइन है ना.
Okay. So how many of you don't want to fall sick? You raised your hands. How many of you are fearful about coronavirus? What will happen? Okay. So all the time we are thinking, I don't want to fall sick. 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 The focus of the mind is sickness. So that's why sickness is what we attract. What will happen after coronavirus? What will happen after coronavirus? What will happen after coronavirus? So we are so much thinking of that coronavirus. So that possibility is what we are attracting. So law of karma says whatever we think of, that is what will start happening. So how do we reverse this situation is what we are going to share with you. Okay. What we are going to share with you is reframing your mind. Now Okay, reframing your mind means what? Okay. Reframing your mind means what? There are 5 steps. Okay, the 5 steps are what I'm saying. The first step is you got to catch your pattern. You need to know, we need to know that whatever is happening in my life, somehow knowingly or unknowingly, I am attracting it. So catch your pattern, we need to be aware and catch the pattern. It is just a thinking pattern. We have thought about it many times. Therefore, we are attracting it. How many of you agree that your life is your creation and whatever is happening in your life, we are the ones who are creating it? Please type yes. If you agree with it, please type yes. Yeah, everyone participate. All right. God creates, but you are the one who's God in our life. You know, it is our karma. If I am thinking like that, I have created it knowingly or unknowingly. So this is the first step, at least. And how does the body know that? How does the body know? I need to see myself. So how does the body know that you have caught the pattern? Is when you share it with someone, you have caught the pattern. So in the beginning of the session, I asked you, list down your fears. So everyone said, I have got fear of my child, or fear of corona, or fear of business, fear of job, fear of whatever. So once you have shared it with your mouth with someone on the screen, means you have done the first step. You have got the pattern. The second step, okay, is once you have caught the pattern, you allow, accept. That means उसको स्वीकार कीजिए कि हमारे अंदर में ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये ऐब है, ये डिफिकल्टी है, ये चैलेंज है, इसको स्वीकार करना है। और ये स्वीकार जब करेंगे तो ये सेकंड स्टेप का शुरुआत होता है। और फिर हमको क्या है, हमको क्या चाहिए वो लिखना है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुझे बीमार नहीं होना, मुझे बीमारी नहीं चाहिए। ये मुझे बीमारी नहीं चाहिए तो बीमारी और आएगी, क्योंकि हमारा जो फोकस है बीमारी के ऊपर। हम ये कह सकते हैं, मैं स्वस्थ हूं, आई एम हेल्दी, इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग आई डोंट वांट टू फॉल सिक। वही चीज हम दूसरे की तरह से बोल सकते हैं, आई एम हेल्दी। दोनों का मतलब एक ही है, लेकिन एक का मतलब है फोकसिंग ऑन व्हाट यू डोंट वांट, एक का मतलब है फोकसिंग ऑन व्हाट यू वांट। सो आई एम हेल्दी एंड आई डोंट वांट टू फॉल सिक। एक ही चीज कह रही है, लेकिन दोनों में अंतर बहुत है। डू यू अग्री? प्लीज राइट डाउन इफ यू अग्री टू दिस। Yeah, we are about 90 people, so I want everyone's answer so that we can go ahead. सभी लोग पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे तो मजा आता है, that's all. You know? Both the statements are saying the same thing, but one is high vibration, one is low vibration. In your language, one is positive, one is negative. लेकिन बात एक ही है, लेकिन दोनों में जो ब्रेन जो प्रोसेस करता है, the brain is a processing machine. Brain is nothing but processing machine. जो उसके अंदर डालेंगे उसको वो प्रोसेस करेगा. So all the time the brain is processing. In this case, I don't want to fall sick, it's processing sickness. When you say I am healthy, it is processing health. So This is the second step. Okay, the first step is catch your pattern. Second step, accept that this is your limitation, and we write down the antidote. That means affirmation. I don't want to fall sick. nahi, I am healthy. Politicians are all corrupt. No, many politicians are very honest also. So like this, we write what we want, not what we don't want. Then the third step is we neutralize it. That means when that fearful thought comes, oh my, what will happen to my children? What will happen after this lockdown? What will happen to the business? What will happen to my job? These fears will come. That time, if you have done the magic of gratitude, you use one of the 4 mantras. I love you, thank you, sorry, forgive me. If you have not done the magic of gratitude, forget it. When we were small children, मम्मी डैडी हमेशा बोलते थे, बेटा घबराना नहीं, कभी भी घबराहट है ना, आप हनुमान जी को याद करो, आप राम जी को याद करो, आप कृष्ण जी को याद करो. ये हमने बचपन से सुना है कि फिक्र है तो किसी भगवान को याद करो, या गुरु जी को याद करो, या अपने गुरु को या मम्मी को याद करो. ये कितने लोगों ने सुना है? प्लीज राइट इट डाउन, टाइप इट आउट. How many of you have heard this from childhood in India? We have all heard this. Exactly. Okay, so this is called neutralizing. That means you change the picture, or you change the picture of what you're feeling fear. Remember, Krishna is taking care, Rama is taking care, Hanumanji is taking care, mummy is taking care, or daddy is taking care, or Guruji is taking care, or whoever. That is called neutralizing. That is at one level. But better than neutralizing is the next step. Higher than neutralizing is the next step, which is called reframing your mind with feeling. Okay, so you change the picture in your mind, not God's picture. You put the picture of what you want. For example, you are fearful about falling sick. You put a healthy picture. We are fearful about losing the job. You put the healthy picture of you getting a job. You're fearful about money loss. You put the picture of money gain. So in the mind, you are putting the picture of what you want, not what you don't want. We are putting picture of what we want. This we have to do it. Fourth step. And the fifth step is we need to repeat this. So when do we repeat it? My question is, when do we repeat it? In the mind, fear has come, the snake has come, सांप आ गया. सांप आपके बॉस के पिक्चर में हो सकता है, सांप आपके सास ससुर हो सकता है, सांप आपके हस्बैंड वाइफ हो सकता है, बच्चा हो सकता है, नेबर हो सकता है, कोई भी हो सकता है, डर हो सकता है. ये अलग अलग सांप हमारे दिमाग में चल रहे हैं. वो जब होगा, जब भी वो फीलिंग होगा, उस टाइम हमको वो पिक्चर डालना है जो हमको चाहिए. अगर हमने नहीं डाला, I repeat, if we don't do it, then we will unknowingly create and manifest only what we don't want, because we are putting our energy there, putting our focus there. That's why we are attracting what we don't want. No one does it purposely, but unconsciously, watchman soya hai. Hamare subconscious mind has patterned it. We are fearful from childhood, and that is repeating and repeating and repeating. Okay, so how many of you agree to this, whatever explanation I have given you? Please write down yes. Yeah, if you have 90 people, so I want all the answers. Even if you don't agree, it's okay. You can say no, no problem. Then I can ask, you can ask a question also. Yes, everyone answer. It will be fun if you all answer. Yeah. So when if you change the picture, okay, again and again and again and again and again and again and again, then in a day maybe 10 times, maybe 50 times, maybe 100 times, over a period of time, this your mind, we call it reframing your mind. The mind will start seeing it differently. You will start seeing half glass full rather than half glass empty. This will become a new pattern which we call reframing your mind. So basically, this only works well for you when we take total responsibility of our life. Meaning what? When I am only creating what I want, then I have the energy to recreate it or change the creation in my mind. So earlier I was thinking it is a snake, but I can also think it is a rope. We have the capacity to do that. Man, the difference between man and animal, this is the biggest and fundamental difference between man and animal. Man has got the capacity to imagine. And because of the imagination, he or she can change the material world. Example which you and me know, Mirabai. She could see Krishna everywhere. Wherever she went, she could see Krishna. Other people could not see, but she could see because she had that capacity to change in the mind. Tukaram could see Vithala because he had the capacity to change it in his mind. Like this, in our scriptures, we have hundreds and thousands of examples of people who have been able to change the picture in the mind from snake to rope. Snake will give us stress chemicals, rope will give us happy chemicals. We have the capacity to change our reality. We have the capacity to change our fears. We have the capacity to change even the coronavirus. We have the capacity to change all our fears into an opportunity. So this is what I wanted to explain to you. These are the 5 steps. Of course, it's a very short seminar, but this is good enough for 1 hour to understand that we have to practice this. Not understanding this is enough, but practicing is very, very important. For example, if you have accident fear, you change the picture in your mind. If you have health fear, change the picture in your mind. If you have death fear, change the picture in your mind. Family loss, we need to change the picture. Walking in the dark, change the picture. Business failure, change the picture. Job loss, change the picture. Money loss, change the picture. So this is called reframing your mind. Now, if you have any questions, you may ask on the screen and we will answer whatever, and I will ask my wife Nina also to share on this only. Okay.
Manoj bhai, if you
say I want my debtors to be studo. Can I draw a picture? I want my daughters to be studious. Yes, of course. Of course, you can draw the picture and have her picture studying, but take her permission. Okay, when it is regarding her, maybe she does not want to study. So take her permission and then do it. Some people said, I want my son to stop smoking. Yes, I also want, but take his permission because it is his life finally. Okay, okay, Gaurang. You can write any questions you want on the chat box. Write on the chat box any questions, whatever you understood so far.
Manoj bhai,
How to handle fears, Nimesh? How to handle fears, Nimesh, is whenever the fear comes, you got to change the picture. So the picture needs to be ready. What will happen if we thought for a rope and on opening the torch, actually snake comes? What should we do? Okay, it's a good question. Well. This happens many times also in our life. It has happened. Sometimes we see the rope. Okay, so you are relaxed. When you see it as a rope and then suddenly you see a snake. So first is the relaxation. Your relaxation may yet continue if you are able to continue to see it as a rope. Okay, but if you really see the snake, then again the reverse will start to happen. I have made a loss in the portfolio. How can I make a picture of profit until I actually realize it? No, you have to make a picture just like this. Suppose you put a picture like this. Okay. So you got to go on changing the picture. This is, if you want to understand more of this every day as an experience. Okay. We are having this workshop called Magic of Gratitude, which I will ask Rajesh, Tolu, or Mehul to share at the end their experience of Magic of Gratitude. You can all do this workshop. It's a 6-hour workshop every day in English, Hindi, Marathi, all languages it is happening. There we go into very deep explanation, not verbally, but experientially. So you can understand what I'm saying. But yes, this is what we are saying now also. There are some habits from childhood. Can they be changed? 101% they can be changed. The subconscious mind has all the power. So we can change it. Will meditation help us? 1000% it will help. It's the easiest and greatest way to help. But after meditation, we have to put again the pictures in the mind, which will help. And I will ask my wife, Nina, to come and share. She has been doing this reframing of your mind is what we have explained to them continuously. So we have explained these 5 steps. So if you can speak on the 5 steps, how you apply it, it will be very nice. And of course, we will answer the questions as we go along. So that's my wife, Nina. Yeah.
Hi.
She a little brief. She runs a bag company, and she's got about 1,000 people working with her. The bag company name is Baggit. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so I think all of us who run an enterprise, or even whether it's a job, I'm saying all of us go through this every day fear of, oh my God, this is going to happen. Oh my God, the COVID. Oh my God, what happens to sale? What happens to, I have to pay salaries? All of these things go on in our mind all the time. But one way is by getting bogged down with all of those thoughts. And then the minute you start thinking those thoughts, more and more your mind will start thinking of those, and you get into like a chakra view of just thinking all of that. Whereas the other way around, in this, what Manju has done has taught me that to keep on focusing, apna man hamesha sthir rakhna hai. You have to keep focusing on what I want. I want Baggit to be an international company. I want all of us to go through this. We are going to do the target that we had planned. The business plan for this year is still going to happen. I'm going to find different ways. And when I think I'm going to find different ways, what do you think happens? I find different ways, right? All of us can find different ways. It's the whole year ahead of us. There are so many new businesses and channels coming up, whether it be online for my business, it be other things for all of y'all. So I'm saying, जब हम सोचते हैं कि करना है, मेरा फोकस है, मेरा टर्नओवर ये होगा, मेरा नंबर्स ये होगा, फिर ऑटोमेटिकली एवरी टाइम वो थॉट आता है, अरे यार इतना पगार, अरे यार इतना ये कैसे नुकसान, ये होगा, वो होगा, ऐसे होगा. So all of us have all of these things, but you keep saying, and so when he teaches, so there's a frequency at which you create what you want. So I used to do this actually from childhood by mistake. So you can see there's a picture here of Radha Krishna. Okay, and my mother used to always train me that हमेशा जो भी है ऊपर वाले का नाम लो, Radha Krishna, visualize everything. And I remember when I used to have my first few exhibitions, and I used to be going to Beach Candy by taxi from Worli, and I used to be thinking आज sale होगा कि नहीं होगा, rent निकलेगा कि नहीं, मेरा तो once in 3 months I used to have a sale. And at that time I used to think of Radha Krishna, and I used to think, I used to visualize, not only think, I used to visualize actually कि बहुत customers है दुकान में, and I'm very busy, and I'm collecting money, and there's lots of money in the drawer. So from then, actually, I was practicing this. Now he's taught me a more formal method of doing this, which is actually what it is. It is not just thinking, it is actually visualizing. The last year, we did triple the amount of profits that we had done the previous year. It's just because of the COVID that we've gone now a little bit down. But I'm saying it can be created. I've lost 13 kilos in the last 1 year. Yeah. So everything can happen. It is just that when I keep on thinking, if I keep on thinking, अरे यार ये मोटापा है, ये कब जाएगा, ये तो ऐसे ही है, ये तो प्रेगनेंसी से तब से है, इतने सालों का कैसे उतारूंगी, whatever, I'm 50 years old. I can keep on thinking all the gutter wale thoughts. But I can say no, I can do it. I can be fitness. I can be fitter than this one. And I imbibe, by looking at on YouTube or getting a trainer. And after ही रास्ता निकलता है, I'll get the right nutritionist, I'll get the right trainer, I'll get the right path. जब हम सोचते हैं करना है तो कैसा होता है, खुद ब खुद रास्ता निकलता है. So this is exactly what this is. So it is catch your pattern. That means every time I'm exercising, then I think, अरे यार थक गई बस यार. So that's catching my pattern. Then
yeah, catch up and allow antidote.
Okay.
Right.
So I have an antidote for it. That means I write down what I want. So whenever I take up a task, I'll finish it. Then I say I neutralize it, and then I have
neutralize, reframe.
And then reframe. That means I create what I want to see. If I want to see myself slim, if I want to see my profits going up, whatever. And then I recreate that again and again every time a negative thought comes to my mind. So this is the 5 things that I keep on doing, and it's been miracles for me, like I told you, these 2 examples.
So you can, Nina, answer these questions. Yeah,
Sure.
So picture is required in mind or need to stick in the room. Kevin, you can answer.
Yeah, so it is always better to have a picture which you can have on your phone, or you can have a digital version and you can put it up wherever you want to put it up, whether you want to put it up in the washroom, whether if you want to keep it in your phone, whether you want to keep it in a, in your laptop, whichever way you want to keep it is always better. But more than having that picture there, but having it over here also, because every time you're reframing it, you're creating that, you're thinking, that टाइम मैगजीन में फ्रंट कवर पे मेरा रिटेल के लिए फोटो आए, मेरा ब्रांड ऐसे होगा, मैं इधर होऊंगा. दैट इज व्हाट यू आर गोइंग ऑन सीइंग, बिकॉज़ इट्स लाइक ये फोन मेरे जेब में है ना, मेरे को मालूम है ना मेरे पास फोन है. उसी तरीके से आपको मालूम है आपका विजन या आपको जो क्रिएट करना आपका गोल है वो आपके पास है.
वो शाहरुख खान का एक डायलॉग है ना एक पिक्चर का, कोई भी चीज आप कोई भी what is that? शिद्दत से चाहो तो वो कायनात भी
मिलाने की इनका भी शाहरुख खान.
So that is actually true. We have to keep on putting it. It requires practice. वो एक दिन का काम नहीं है ये. We have to do it weekly, monthly, yearly, continuously. अभी उनका जो weight 13 kilos कम हुआ है, तो ये एक दिन में नहीं हुआ है. She has continuously worked on it from not only diet, not only exercise, but mainly thoughts. She has, that you can share.
Yeah, so it's mainly the thoughts. So earlier I used to do the gym, but I used to have a meeting at that time. But now I realize that is of no use. When I'm exercising, I'm seeing that muscle or I'm seeing that body part being the size or the shape that I want it to be. And that is what is important for anything when I'm talking to an employee, anybody in my team, or I'm creating the body that I want. I'm all the time creating and thinking what I want. So many times it happens in office that we feel, अरे ये बंदे को बोल के फायदा क्या, वो करता तो नहीं है, सुनता ही नहीं है, अपनी ही करता है वैसे भी, but he's part of your team. What can you do? Can you tell him to go away? वो 4 काम ठीक करता है, 2 काम ठीक नहीं करता, आप करोगे क्या? So I'm saying you're not losing anything by creating what you want. So every time you meet that banda, you say, you think, you create in your mind that he is going to do what is expected from him, what is expected to optimize or improve the sales, whatever, and you see that happening, and you see that you are in okayness when whether that thing happens or no, and you also keep seeing him doing it and moving towards it, and then slowly you have to be adamant. You don't have to give up. So when you're adamant at it, the universe knows that this person wants this. So be careful to what you dream, what you think, and what you say, because I feel it is it's a power.
Yeah. So there's another question which says how to avoid negative dreams in sleep. Sometimes it is difficult to get sleep. Please advise. You can talk about lotus gratitude and magic.
Yeah. So in the night, what I do is so there's a Leah message.
Nothing
okay.
there.
So I write 10 gratitudes for the day.
You just talk about this.
Yeah. So lotus gratitude. That means I do gratitude for all the things that happen in the day. So I would do maybe 5 for the day, and I would do 5 for the night and the next morning. So I would do lotus gratitude in the night before sleeping. Oh wow, what a wonderful day. It was hot, but it was beautiful. We could really enjoy ourselves. Whatever happened in the day, I'll say thank you this, whatever. And this really, what happens is when I'm sleeping with all these positive thoughts that happen. So even if a negative thing happened, like I went out today, it was hot, I was standing outside in the queue, outside a nature basket on the main road. They made us stand outside Century Bazaar in the dhoop mein khade the. But we had taken some work to do and we were enjoying ourselves. I had a friend with me. So I'm saying I can see it in the night and say, kya dhoop mein khada rahe yaar aaj. And I can sleep with that thought. When I'm sleeping with that thought, I'm going to be creating, like what you're saying, I'm creating negative thoughts. I'm creating,
So typically what she's saying is, in the night, normally, jab hum sote hai, truthfully you write down, do we think of all the things which happened nicely, or do we think of all the things जो गड़बड़ हुआ है दिन में, पूरे दिन में जो गड़बड़ हुआ है, that's what we are thinking. Which one we normally think? Please tell me. Write down. If you write down, we are thinking of things which is not gone well. So that is what Nina is saying, that she changes and she tells, जो अच्छा नहीं हुआ उसको भी हम thank you बोलते, उसको भी thank you बोलते, उसको भी thank you बोलते. तो वो जो दिमाग जो है, brain जो है, starts relaxing and you get good sleep. You can talk about emoji and Mehul and all will share.
So in this way, I'm all the time creating. When I'm doing gratitude, कि चलो धूप थी, फिर भी मजा आया, फिर भी हम लोगों ने ये सब काम निपटा दिया. So in this way, whatever happens to me, the good things, obviously I will say gratitude. Wow, I have all the money. Wow, we can buy all the luxuries we want. But I'm saying gratitude for the dhoop. I'm saying gratitude कि क्यों में खड़ा रहना पड़ा. So in this way, when I'm going on saying gratitude for everything, so I'm just giving that gratitude to the universe. And what do I get back? I get back all the all the beautiful things, because I'm looking at everything in that way, and I cannot explain it, but I just have tears in my eyes, and I'm like, it's so true.
So someone has written that should we not pray to God? There are 2 ways of praying. Okay, and I'll end here. Then I will ask Rajesh Dolu and Mehul to share their experience, and I think Dinesh Sampath is also there. So all of you will share your experience of magic of gratitude and share whatever you want to. Okay, but there are 2 ways of praying. One is you go like this, Bhagwan mujhe ye de do, ye de do, ye de do, ye de do. Okay, or second way is, thank you God for what you have given me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. One is living like this, Ashirwad. One is living ek Bhikhari jaisa. Most of us in the world, we go to temple, mosque, gurudwaras, and like this. Everywhere we are going like Bhikharis. Bhagwan mujhe ye de do, Bhagwan mujhe ye de do, Bhagwan. भगवान तो देता ही है, वो गर्मी भी इसीलिए देता है, वो एक कारण होता है। कोरोना वायरस भी उन्होंने दिया है एक कारण के लिए, कि हम जागे, हम अपना वी ऑल वेक अप एंड स्टार्ट लिविंग मोर happily, more sharingly, more simply. But if yet we don't learn the lesson, then what can God also do? So let's learn to be, going definitely God, but like this. Thank you, God, for my wife is shouting at me. Thank you. My husband is shouting at me. Thank you. It is very, very hot. Thank you. For whatever reason, say thank you. That is the highest form of prayer. So with this, I will ask Rajesh Dolu, please, can you just share and open your mic and share, and then Mehul Shah, and then our Dinesh Sampat. Okay? Yeah. Thank you. That's it. You have to unmute it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Share. Can you hear? I can't hear. Can you hear Mehul?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
Is Raju speaking?
Yeah, okay. Speak.
Rajesh is speaking, or I should speak? Raju?
Yeah, Mehul, you can start, then Rajesh.
Okay, Manoj Bhai, simply what Manoj Bhai shared with all of us is to remain in gratitude 24/7. Like one of the things that Nina Ma also shared is basically how do you go for Lotus gratitude. Lotus, what I would suggest is I'll share one of Manoj Bhai's videos on Lotus gratitude, which I have with Charvik and Bhaven, and they can share this video with the entire group who participated, or maybe with the study circle itself, as the case may be. But the fundamental thing that Manoj Bhai shared with us is that unless and until I am in gratitude towards everything that I have, okay, I'm not going to be at peace. Now, very simple thing, I'm stuck at home today. It's the reality. Now, no, I just now either I accept it or I don't accept it. Whatever is the case may be, I'm there at home is for sure. I'm not there at office is for sure. I'm not able to go to the client. Absolutely good. I'm not able to work from home. This is a reality. Now do I have an option to change it? Probably no. I have no option, but option to change it. I have to accept it. Now, how fantastically I am able to accept it is the only thing that one needs. So, in case if I'm stuck at home with this kind of a situation, I think the situation, and ultimately I perceive in mind as to what I want. So, in everyday's message that of course, Manoj Bhai has not shared that message thing today, and I'll not be sharing that. But we write a message every day to the universe and to my other friends that this is what my state of affair is, and what I want, rather I want peace of mind, I want uh, people to prosper, I want sarvajana sukhina santu, that kind of a situation I want, and I write that only, rather than uh, thinking of the current situation and being victimized or feeling being victimized. Another thing that I would like to share with you is another uh, tool which Manoj Bhai has given today. He has not shared, but I would just share with you is PRS, Problem Resolve Sadhana. Now, what is this PRS? Problem Resolve Sadhana is that you write, let's say you pick up one of the problems that you have, like you are not in good health. Okay, that is your problem. You write 10 antidotes or 10 other good things about you. I'll just share certain good things which I have written, that maybe I'm not at good health, but at least I'm alive. True or not? Then I have other parts. Let's say I have some body parts which have ache like headache or stomach ache, or as the case may be. But I have other body parts working. Life is not so serious. Okay, then I start applying love to the body part that has some kind of challenge. I am aware of the issue. At least I'm aware. See, just imagine that. Let's say you are in coma. You never knew the situation. At least you know the situation. Okay,
Mehul,
yeah, Manoj. I'm brief. I'm just putting it. What I'm trying to say is at least type 10 points of gratitude. That is problem resolve sadhana, and this is how you can actually come out of it. Now, Manoj bhai, I agree, and I'll ask Rajesh Dolu to share with you.
yes, Rajesh, you can add on. नहीं सुनाई नहीं दे रहा आपका नहीं आ रहा राजेश कुछ तो होगा दिनेश कैन यू ट्राई दिनेश
Am I audible?
yes we can hear you
I'm audible.
yes we can hear
Yes.
you
Yeah. This reframe your mind and feeling, that is very, very important. Many times we have a breakdown in life, but at the night when I go for post-prayer gratitude, I say thank you. This has happened, and I thank that person that he realized he reminded me that because of this has happened. So next time I can improve, and I put a positive picture for that person, for that thing, and again I see that positive, and that positive vibration automatically generated, and things are moving. So in spite of having breakdown also, I change my feeling and I can change. That is what I say. Yes, Manoj
yeah
ji.
okay wonderful yes Rajesh is it working now नहीं टिक 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 आवाज ही आ रहा है बस ओके ओके
राजेश जी आप अपना ना हेडफोन निकाल दो
So I'm requesting all of you, Sharvik, if you can, we have this workshop called Magic of Gratitude. Every day it's happening. There is no cost to it. सिर्फ आप सभी लोग करेंगे तो आपको बहुत फायदा होगा इसका समझो कल हिंदी में है परसों इंग्लिश में है Saturday Sunday I am doing it in English otherwise it's in Hindi Marathi Gujarati all languages so if you can share the link Mehul will share the link with you and you
Yeah,
can
definitely.
share it with the group and I think we can end with what did you can mute it yeah so we can end with basically some of you who have done this workshop today's webinar you can share your experience then that will be the closing so we can start with Sharvik yourself and Kinjal what did you experience
I think the major experience was how to think positively and how to stop the negative thoughts coming into our mind. I think that was the most positive thing I can get
yeah
today.
okay what about other people can share Sharvik you can
Yeah,
ask
sir, can I share, sir?
yes
Thank you, sir. It was really a good. I got a positive thought by seeing your this one's webinar also. So the main thing is that to come out of fear and do positive. And third, what you have given a most good answer is about the God. What I asked you, the how to pray means. Yes, sir. Thanks God for giving everything, sir. It is really good. You have cleared my all thoughts. Thanks, sir. Thanks.
yes anyone else Anyone else?
I would request Suresh Subramaniam to please share. Suresh, are you there online? Acha, Rucha,
At the positive,
yeah,
I
Rucha.
have attended. Yeah, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Rucha, Rucha, Suresh, please.
I've learned from this session to create a positive picture in your mind and just place it that so you can achieve that.
Yeah, but it will take few months, huh? Don't happen, it will not happen in one day. Every day,
Yeah.
every day, every day, every day, we have to do it hundreds of times in a day, hundreds of times. Because
Yeah.
we are born with reptilian brain. We came from animal kingdom. So fear is part of us. We are all fearful. We have to release the fear by doing this again and again. That's the difference between man and animal.
Okay.
Yes, Kinjal,
Yeah.
would you like to
Yeah.
share?
Thank you.
Kinjal and Suresh Subramaniam also please share.
Yeah, whoever's video is on, you can tell them. Mehul.
Yeah, I'm just seeing the list. Suresh, are you there online?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm very much there.
Yeah, please share, sir.
The lesson regarding patterns, how to move from 0 to 100. Now at the moment, I think I'm around 40 to 50. I want to go to 70 to 100. I will work on that pattern change in my mind. Thank you very much. Thanks for sharing that.
Thank you, Suresh. Alpa Kuvadia can please share. May I request Alpa Kuvadia? Then Kajal is there, I guess.
Alpha has written something on the chat.
Yeah, so I would request Alpa to please share.
I think her mic is on, but we are not able to hear.
Maybe someone else, Mehul.
Yeah, I'm just I'm looking at the list, Manoj bhai.
Yeah. Nimesh, you would like to share?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ketan Kotari.
Yeah, one of the important things I have learned today is to show gratitude towards whatever things we have in our life, rather than complaining for what we don't have in our life. And changing the picture and pattern in our mind, which can help us to have a peace and positive progress in life. Thank you for that.
Last two sharings, Rakesh Gandhi, if you are there online. Nimish Kotari. Yeah, tell me, Nimish.
Yeah, Nimisha. Yeah, Mehul bhai.
Nimisha. Yeah,
Yes.
please speak.
Hi Manoj bhai. Hi Manoj bhai. It was an excellent session and inspired lot of positive thoughts in us and inspired for positive thinking. Thank God. Thank God and accept the situation as it is. And we like to practice this patterns in our life to achieve more positiveness. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Mamta, are you there online? Mamta Takkar, Mamta Sheth. Mamta, would you like to share?
Yes, I want to share. Manoj, I have attended your Magic of Gratitude seminar also, and thanks to Mehul sir for that. I have received tremendous changes in my pattern of thinking after doing that seminar, and today also I have learned that how to be away from fear which we are going through right now. Thank you for that lesson. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
May I request Rakesh Gandhi to please share. Abhay Daga, Rakesh Gandhi. I'm able to see two names here. Friends, will be ending within 2-3 minutes now. So please share in case if you and anyone, I'm not able to see names, but yet in case if somebody, there are around still 55 participants here. So one can share actually rather than typing anything right now. Anybody wants to share something? some experience, some learning that one has actually got.
राजेश, you would like to share? आपने आवाज अभी आएगा क्या? Last try करो. अगर आप try करो, होता है कि नहीं? आपका volume on करो.
You should use some kind of sign language now.
Try करो last. बात करो. Okay, you can
राजेश
type
भाई
out
हेडफोन
whatever.
निकाल दो आपका, हेडफोन निकाल दो राजेश भाई,
हेडफोन निकाल दो. या नो निकाल दो.
निकाल दो.
अपना फोन से या जिधर से इंस्ट्रूमेंट से निकाल दो. हाँ, अभी बात करो. Some next time. Next time. So I think thank you Mehul bhai, thank you Bhavin, thank you Sharvik, and thank you Rajesh Dolu and Dinesh.
My life
Sampati.
mantra is all for best.
Yes.
Is for best.
Always, everything happens for the best. And but I just request you to do one of these workshops whenever to go deeper. It's I have been speaking on this for 32 years, 24/7. Yet I am catching fears of mine. I am just telling you, 32 years, 24/7. Yet today also I am catching some layers of fear. It's like an onion. वो प्याज होता है ना, एक लेयर निकलता है, फिर दूसरा लेयर निकलता है, तीसरा. आज तक मुझे अरे यार ये तो अरे मैं भी दौड़ाता हूँ इसके साथ. So it's a process. We keep on unfolding, and every day is better than yesterday. That's all I can say. Today is better than yesterday, and with that, I think we will all end with the national anthem. So I request we will just stand up and sing the national anthem. Okay, so we'll put the national anthem for everyone. Okay, we'll just stand up.
विनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल में जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. I'll just say bye bye to everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Manoj bhai, thank you. Manoj bhai, thank you so much for. Before we part, I sincerely thank Manoj bhai for sharing his thoughts on the subject very beautifully, and thank all the participants, all the friends, especially Bhaven bhai and Sarvik, who have actually organized this hatke kind of a meeting for all of us. Thank you so much, all. Manoj bhai, really grateful to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you all.
Thank you to all of you. All of you. Thank you, Rajesh.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you, Mehul bhai. Thank you for arranging this. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye bye.